Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talks Hub, the home of natural everyday English.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here learning English with us today.
Whether you're listening at home, on your way to work, walking outside, or practicing before bed, thank you for spending your time learning English with us.
Today's topic might sound small, but it's actually very powerful in English.
Yes, today we're talking about modal verbs.
Words like can, could, should, must, may, might, will, and would.
These words are short, simple, and very common, but they completely change the meaning of sentences.
And many English learners feel confused when they hear the phrase modal verbs.
It sounds like something complicated from a grammar textbook.
But don't worry, today we're going to make modal verbs clear, practical, and easy to use in real life.
No complicated grammar explanations,
Just natural English.
real conversations.
And lots of examples you can start using today.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in this simple and practical way, don't forget to like this video
Subscribe to English Talks Hub.
and share this lesson with someone who is learning English too.
All right, let's get started.
Arthur, yesterday someone asked me an interesting question.
Oh, really? What did they ask?
They asked me, can I improve my English quickly?
Ah, I see. They used the word can.
Exactly. And the funny thing is they didn't even realize they were using a modal verb.
That's the interesting thing about modal verbs. We use them every single day without thinking about grammar.
Exactly. Words like can, could, should, must, may, might, would are everywhere in English conversations.
But when learners hear the phrase modal verbs, suddenly it sounds difficult.
Today we're going to change that. By the end of this lesson, modal verbs will feel natural and easy.
Let's start with the most important rule about modal verbs. Modal verbs are helping verbs.
They come before the main verb and change the meaning of the sentence. And here is the rule you must remember. After a modal verb, we use the base form of the verb,
Not the past form,
not the ing form.
just the base verb.
I can speak English.
Not can speaks,
She must go now.
not must goes,
They should study more.
not should studies.
This rule is simple, but it fixes many common mistakes.
Let's start with the first modal verb, can.
We use can to talk about ability, something you are able to do.
I can drive.
She can cook.
They can play football.
He can speak Spanish.
We can solve this problem.
Arthur, can you cook?
Yes, I can cook, but only simple food like pasta, eggs, and sandwiches.
That's still cooking. Many people can't cook at all.
That's true. Cooking is a useful skill.
Now it's your turn. Think about yourself. What can you do? Say it out loud.
I can swim.
I can speak 2 languages.
I can learn new things quickly.
Speaking out loud helps your brain remember the language.
Now let's make it negative. We say cannot or can't.
I can't drive.
She can't come today.
They can't understand the lesson.
He can't find his phone.
We can't finish this today. To ask a question, we move can to the beginning.
Can you help me?
Can she join us?
Can they finish the project?
Can you explain this again?
We also use can to ask for permission.
Can I use your pen?
Can I sit here?
Can I ask a question?
Can I open the window? Imagine you're late for class. You knock on the door and say, "Can I come in?"
The teacher says, yes, you can. Very natural, very common.
Many learners say, I can't speak English.
But sometimes that's not really true. Maybe you can speak, but you feel nervous.
Instead of saying, I can't speak English, try saying, I can speak a little.
Or, I am learning.
That small change builds confidence.
Now let's talk about could.
Could is often the past form of can.
When I was a child, I could swim.
When I was younger, I could run very fast.
When I was a student, I could study for hours.
We also use could to make requests more polite.
Could you help me?
Could you open the window?
Could you send that email?
Could you explain this again?
Now let's talk about may and might.
Both are used to talk about possibility.
It may rain today.
She may come to the party.
I might go to the gym later.
We might travel next month. Now let's talk about should.
We use should to give advice.
You should practice English every day.
You should drink more water.
You should read English books.
You should listen to English podcasts. Now let's talk about must.
Must is stronger than should.
You must wear a seatbelt.
I must finish this project today.
Students must follow the rules.
We also use have to for obligations.
I have to wake up early for work.
We have to finish this assignment.
Now let's talk about would.
Would you like some coffee?
Would you help me with this?
Would you like to join us for dinner?
Let me share a short story. A few years ago, I couldn't speak English confidently.
Really?
Yes, I thought I might never become fluent, but then I told myself, I must try.
That's powerful.
I knew I should practice every day, so I started listening, speaking, and reading English daily.
And now you can speak very confidently.
Yes, practice changes everything.
Modal verbs are not just grammar tools. They help you express ideas clearly.
When you say, I can, you show confidence.
When you say, I must, you show determination.
When you say, I should, you give advice.
And when you say, I might, you talk about possibilities.
If this lesson helped you understand modal verbs better, don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to English Talks Hub.
Remember, you can improve.
You should practice,
You must believe in yourself.
and one day you will speak English confidently.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.